Hey everyone, so this will be an unboxing and a quick look here, first look here at the Acer Nitro 5. This is, looks like it says G11 on the side here. This is a Nitro 5 with the i5 1030H, 16 gigabytes of RAM, 512 gigabytes of storage, and it has the RTX 3050 Ti on it. So I just picked this thing up from Walmart of all places for $1,000. Well, $900. A bit under 1,000 with taxes. So this is $900. Walmart sells a very similar one, but with the i7, everything else being the same. That one is, I think, like 1,100. I want to say. Alright, so my desk is not big enough, so I had to take everything out off camera there. So this is what it looks like inside the box. So we have this black box. We'll come back to in a moment here. We have our papers. Quick guide thing. I'm not really sure what this thing is. I'll have to look at that later. But yeah, I've never seen something like that in one of these boxes. Alright. Trying not to hurt the laptop. It is very nicely packaged though, we'll say that. Nice and protected here. Made from 100% recyclable PET. I think it's just referring to this cloth thing here. Oh, yep, that was upside down. And backwards for that matter. So there we go. Very nice looking. Looks like any other Nitro for the most part. Alright, then let's see what's in this box before we go ahead and look more at the actual laptop here. Killed my light. Alright, so we have this thing. Sorry, I killed my light with my hand. So about that. So that is the charger here, and then the extra cable. I'm not sure this thing is. We'll figure that out though eventually here. And just by flipping it over, it is the Hdd Upgrade Cable. Yeah, so let's move this out of the way. There you go. We see the Acer symbol there. Back is nice and red while it's black. Sides here we have USB Type-C, USB, HDMI, your lock, your Ethernet, 2 more USBs, and then your headphone jack. And we'll guess that's also a mic jack as well. There we go. This is 144 Hz Full HD display. Get that out of the way there. So if you guys seen other Nitros, this looks basically the same. Which is, say, it's very nice looking. The nice red lined and lettered and numbered. So really cool. Again, this one has the i5, not the i7 in it. And also it's supposed to have DTS-X. Immersive gaming audio. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and plug this thing in and get it set up here. Alright, so you can see here I have it all set up to my likings. Well, it's all set up. So you can see there we have 476 gigabytes free. Well, no, it's here. There is 476 gigabytes. There is 46.1 gigabytes used already. I've not downloaded anything on this yet. I literally just set this thing up. And then there's 430 gigabytes free. So out of that 512, you really get 430, unless you go through and delete stuff, which I'm sure I will do. So that's what you actually get here. I just want to see how quick this is. Nice looking display. It says it's supposed to be 144 Hz refresh, as you can see there, full HD. We're just going to Microsoft Edge because that's all it's on here right now. Don't care about that. I will be getting rid of you as soon as I can. Come on, open up. Alright, we'll just test out how fast this is. I'll show you guys the Best Buy's version of this laptop. Yeah, it's not bad. So remember, this is the i5 and not the i7. So here, we'll look at this Acer Nitro. I mean, they have a few different ones here, including some with older stuff. You guys, you see that this top one here for $670 on sale right now has just a 1650 in it. So this is the one that is very similar to what we have here. You see this is $1,100 in the US. This has, again, everything that the laptop we have here has, except for it has an i7 instead of the i5. So you spend $200 more, you get yourself the i7. Display is very nice. Brightness is probably up all the way. I'm sure. Yeah. Alright, let's also do a very quick speaker test. Okay, I've not messed with any of the settings here. So of course we'll look up royalty free music, and let's see, I guess we'll just go up with this one here.
Find the perfect song.
Oh. Actually not too bad for being a laptop speakers. It's probably one of the better laptop speakers I've heard. Not as good as like the Samsung Tab S7 is, the tablet. But yeah, alright guys, thank you all for watching. Hope you guys have a good one. Yeah, see you guys next time. Goodbye.